Do you want to know how you can scan the QR code of Telegram and join the group or channel? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can scan the Telegram QR code and enter the channel or group. Open the camera or scanner app and then search for any code. Tap on the link and it will direct you to the group or the Telegram channel. And you can scan the code this way. Now to give others your code, you can simply go to your profile, press on the three lines on the top, tap on your profile, go to settings, and then click on the QR which is on the top, and this is your QR code. If you send this to other people and they scan it, they will be directed to your page and they can add you to your contacts. So this is how you scan the QR code in Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.